everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're super excited because we're showing you the before and afters of our very first fix and flip.
This project has been a wild ride and we can't wait to show you how far this house has come.
From the demo day to the final touches, we put our heart into every step on this one. So let's start right here on the exterior and show you what's been done. As you can see, the exterior of the house has been completely transformed. Originally, it had brown paint with a stone base, but now it features a crisp, solid white with black trim that really makes it pop from the street. We also added two brand new decks, one off the back door and one off the laundry room door, creating functional outdoor spaces that complement the home beautifully. Above the carport on the right side of the house, the porch was in rough shape. The roof was completely damaged and falling apart. We fully demoed and rebuilt the roof structure, added fresh paint, prepped the floor, and installed a new porch door and lighting, creating a safe and inviting space. So now that you've seen the exterior, it's time to go check out the inside.
The interior is honestly our favorite part. So let's go take a look.
Let's go. In this area, as you can see, we removed the wall that used to separate the old kitchen from the living room, which completely opened up the space. We also demoed the old fireplace and built a new one with floor-to-ceiling black shiplap and an electric insert. The staircase got an upgrade too. We removed the old posts and railings and replaced them with a clean black finish.
In the kitchen, we removed the window on the back wall so we could wrap our design around the entire room and centered the stove perfectly on the back wall. We chose white quartz countertop paired with a white subway tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling. We also added all new appliances along with updated plumbing and electrical throughout the entire house.
In this bathroom, we did a full gut renovation. We removed the old corner shower and replaced it with a new floor-to-ceiling tiled shower. We also installed a new vanity mirror, toilet, exhaust fan, and updated the lighting to give the space a fresh, modern feel.
As you can see, we followed through with our original plan in this room. New LVP flooring, fresh paint, and updated baseboards. We also installed new 6-panel doors throughout the house with black handles to give everything a nice, clean pop.
In the utility room, we originally planned to install LVP flooring and baseboard, but decided to leave it as a functional storage and workshop space. We still refreshed the room with new paint, updated lighting, and prepped the floor for a clean, finished look.
In the 2-car garage, we followed through with our plans, adding fresh drywall and paint to the walls and ceiling. The result is a clean, organized space that's perfect for parking cars and staying clutter-free.
As you can see, the hallway has been freshened up along with the rest of the house. In the bedrooms, we updated the space with fresh paint, new white carpet, new baseboards, modern black ceiling fans, and 6-panel closet doors, giving each room a clean, modern look. In the upstairs bathroom, we did a full gut renovation. We installed a new vanity, toilet, mirror, lighting, and vent fan. The tub and shower were completely replaced, and we added custom tile to the shower with gold hardware for a fresh, modern touch.
In the upstairs laundry room, we continue with our original plan, adding new flooring, baseboards, fresh paint, and updated lighting. We also installed cabinets with a butcher block countertop for extra storage, along with a new wash box to complete the space.
In the office, we continued to follow through with our original plan, adding fresh flooring, new baseboards, updated paint, and modern lighting to create a clean, functional workspace. Big room upstairs, we continued with our original plan and also made some standout updates. We framed out around the original fireplace and added a floor-to-ceiling black shiplap finish with an electric fireplace insert. We also installed French doors that open onto a large deck we built, creating a bright and inviting space. Wow, what a journey it's been to get to this point. From the demo days to the final touches, we've learned so much on this project that we will continue to use on all future projects.
Absolutely. From the design to the construction, we are very proud of how this came together.
Thank you so much for watching and following along on this journey. We have plenty of projects coming up, so if you like these kinds of videos, please stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon.
See you on the next one.
Later.